Here is a Subaru Impreza. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now that's where the bulbs are. The way to get to it, you have to first open up the hatch. Now over there you will see two bolts which are holding the light in place. One over there and second one over there. We have to get them off. To get them off you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. One that looks like that, or a 10mm socket ratchet combination. I would suggest using the socket ratchet combination because it does a better job at holding on to the bolt and taking it off, and that way you don't end up stripping it accidentally because the bolt's probably been in there for years, it's probably stuck on, so this does a better job. Get those bolts off and keep them somewhere safe. You don't want to lose them because that's all that keeps the light in place. So first just rock the light like side to side, loosen that a little bit, and now just push it from the back right there. It's going to take a few seconds and it's going to pop off like that, and that's totally okay. Don't be afraid. That's normal. It's going to pop off, and I'll show you what holds the light in place. There are two holes where the bolts go. Those two pins, they go in there, and that's a slot for the white tab over there, and that's it. That's how the light is held in place. You can take the electrical connector off if you like and just work on the light in peace, or just leave it on the way it is, like just leave it hanging. That's totally fine as well. Now that's the bulb holder there for the brake light bulb. Grab it and twist it left. You'll probably have to use both your fingers because it's stuck on there tight, but just twist it left a little bit and loosen it, get it out. To get the bulb off, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. Now let's take a closer look at the bulb. It's got two filaments inside it for two different functions, tail light and brake light. The bulb replacement number is on it, 7443. Again, 7443. Get the new bulb and align it with the pins and push it in. Now when you're pushing it in, if you are having some trouble, if you feel some resistance, that's okay. All you have to do is just pull the bulb out. If it feels stuck, just pull it out, turn it around, and now put it in. Now it should just go right in easily and stay in place. To put the bulb holder back in the light, just try matching that slot over there on the bulb holder with the cutout in the light. Align it and put it in. That way, see, it just drops right in. There's nothing sticking out. Now all you have to do is just twist it right a little bit to lock it in place, and you are done. When you're putting the light back in, the key to doing this right is to make sure that the light is aligned first. Okay? Align it, make sure that front end over there, it's not sticking out from the body. Then you have to make sure that those two holes are all aligned over there. Yeah, when everything looks aligned, then just give it one push and push it in. And now the alignment tabs are popped in. Now just get those bolts, put them on, tighten them up, and then take a look at the light again. See, everything is looking flush, nothing sticking out. That's the way your light should look like as well once you're done. And that's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful.